In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a QuickBooks email template. Whether you're looking to update the look and feel of your invoices or need to make sure your contact details are up to date, customizing your email templates can make all the difference. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up QuickBooks. This could be on your desktop or accessing it online through a web browser, whichever you prefer. QuickBooks itself offers a wide range of tools to help you manage your finances, from invoicing to expense tracking, so it's great to have everything tailored to your specific needs, including your email communications. Once QuickBooks is up and running, take a look to the top right corner of the screen. There you should see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. It's crucial to be signed in with the correct account, especially if you're managing multiple businesses, as changes to templates will only affect the account you're currently using. After selecting sign in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password, the same ones you used when setting up your QuickBooks account. Make sure these are entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. If you have multiple email accounts, double check that it's the one tied to your QuickBooks account. Once you've entered your information, proceed to log in and you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Now that you're logged into QuickBooks, let's move on to the settings. Look again towards the upper section of the screen for the gear icon, symbolizing settings. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various configuration options. It's like the control panel for your QuickBooks, allowing you access to features like account settings, lists, and more. Next, from that drop-down menu, you'll want to select the account and settings option. This section is where you can make more targeted adjustments to your account, covering everything from billing information to email settings. Accessing your account settings here is vital because it's where we will make the necessary changes to your email template. With the account settings open, the next step is to focus on the sales section. The sales category is where QuickBooks organizes all features tied to selling and invoicing. Clicking here will help funnel the options further down to just those items that are relevant to your sales transactions. Within the sales section, there's a messages tab. Direct your attention there next. This tab is specifically for managing what communications you want to send when you're dealing with invoices or receiving payments. This is where you'll find the tools to adjust and customize your email template. Now comes the exciting part, editing your email template. Within the messages section, you should see the current template or templates that are being used. Think of this as the blueprint for all your outgoing messages through QuickBooks. Go ahead and make the adjustments you need, whether it's changing a greeting, updating your contact information, or modifying any placeholder text. Be sure to customize it to reflect your brand and business needs. After you've made your changes, the last step is arguably the most important. Click on Save. This ensures that all your hard work updating the email template is retained and will be applied to future communications. It's always a good idea to double check and perhaps send yourself a test email to see how it looks. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to customize your QuickBooks email template. By following these steps, you can ensure that your communications are always professional, on brand, and up to date with your latest details. Customizing templates can make your business appear more personalized and professional, helping you stand out to your clients and customers. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out for further guidance. Customizing your tools like QuickBooks can significantly enhance your business operations and customer interaction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.